So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make an easy 10,000 milliamps USB power bank using your actual laptop battery itself and a cheap car charger from eBay. The first thing you need is a charged laptop battery. I prefer those who have 9 pins, as others might require sorting specific pins in order to work. If this is your case, you need to find out that by yourself. Make this calculation if you want to find the actual capacity of the power bank. Battery volts multiplied by amperes makes us power in watts, divided by the 5 volts output of the charger. This makes us the actual power bank's capacity in milliamps. In this point, you're gonna need to get a very cheap $1 USB car charger from eBay, like this one I have here, which is rated to 1 amp. As I figured out, it's very nice and it charges my Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 surprisingly fast. Next, you need to find two 5-inch long red and black wires stripped exactly like those I have here. Now I'm gonna show you how to place them on the battery and on the charger. Place and twist securely the negative wire to the metal part on the side. For the positive wire, press the spring cap on the front and try to push the wire around it. This looks to be alright. Strap the charger to the battery using a velcro strip or something for easy removal when you want to charge it, either on the laptop itself or to an external battery charger. Your battery must have a polarity indication. Place the red to the positive and the black to the negative, and it should now work. You can use it to charge almost anything. It charges a smartphone, it charges a Samsung tablet, even my iPad. And all that without having spent more than $1 on eBay.